Hello, and welcome to the Hillbilly Tech Show. Today I'm going to go over upgrading your RAM or replacing RAM in your laptop. The very first thing you want to do is make sure you don't have any AC power, which is the power port plugged in the side. You want to always have that unplugged. Plus, always unplug the battery, usually on the bottom or the back. You'll have a little notch you can pull that holds the battery in, and just simply pull it out and set it aside. Never ever open a machine with AC power or the battery on. You risk damaging the parts or short circuiting or even catching on fire or hurting yourself. Now, there's a couple of panels on the back of your laptop. You might mistake them because some of them are not labeled very well and some of them are. Just depends on the laptop. This particular laptop has a marking on it for the RAM, the random access memory, which is right here. It's got a little picture of a chip and it's got the word RAM on it, which tells us this slot is for the RAM. Now, usually you'll have 1 to 2 screws holding the socket in right here. Simply unscrew the 2 screws. Sometimes these fit pretty flush, so you may have to take a real tiny screwdriver such as this and simply pry it up. You don't want to put too much pressure, you may damage it or you may cause scratches on the bottom of the laptop. Just pry it up gently, take the panel off, and set it aside. Now here's the 2 RAM slots in this. Some machines will have 1, some will have 2. This particular one has 2 already in it. Alright. Now the first thing we want to do is identify what type of RAM you have. Now there's different types. So you need to look at your model number, look it up, look at the specs on it, and make sure you have the right type. Now, here's how we're going to change it. There's 2 notches on the end of each RAM slot. There's one here, there's one here. Now, with your fingers simultaneously, pull this one back, pull it back this way, pull this one back, the RAM will pop up. Now, to take it out, it's always at an angle. It's never straight up. Don't ever pull it up. Don't ever pull it up like this. You'll end up damaging this piece back here or breaking the RAM chip. Now, it actually removes at an angle, like this. There's what a normal RAM chip looks like for a laptop. Now, the desktops are a little bit bigger, so don't mistake these for a desktop memory. Alright, it pretty much goes in the same way we took it out. It always inserts at an angle. Notice you have a notch right here. You can never install these incorrectly if you have the notch in the right place. Now, what we do, insert it diagonally. It snaps in like that. And put the finger on the middle piece. You hear a click on this side, and you hear a click on this side. They both will click in, and you'll see just a little bit of play, not a whole lot. You can't pull it out, it's not loose. And that's successfully installed a piece of RAM. Now, once you get this complete, put the panel back on, and if it boots up, if you only hear a beep, and you have no video, that means either the RAM is incorrect, or it's not seated correctly. One thing you want to do is take it back apart, take your battery out, and check, reseat the RAM, take it out, put it back in. If it still gives you a beep, the RAM is probably bad, or it's not the correct RAM for the PC. But that is how we install RAM in a laptop. Thank you.